I'm in Jamaica. Normally I'll be cooking outside, but hey, I've got things to do today. I got no time for that today, so it's not outdoor cooking today. It's gonna be outdoor cooking one day this week, hoping that what name? BERYL, Naricha. We don't want no BERYL here. We don't want no BERYL here. The hurricane. So we are running it. We have cook the food and run with it. And run our way. Yeah. We are run our way. We are run our way, man. So I'm going to wash my hands and then peel this breadfruit. Have a look on what's cooking there. See what's cooking. Yeah, we're going to run our way, guys. We are running BERYL. We don't want BERYL here. We don't at all. We don't want BERYL here at all. We're running out of BERYL. Yeah, we're on BERYL. We're running BERYL away. Please share out the live, guys. Share out the live. Share. Share out the live. Share out the live. Share out the live, guys. Share out the live. Share out the live. Share. Listen, I want you guys to help me to achieve greatness, because that's what we're here for. Yeah, I'm a body too. I wish one day I get so that never happen. Listen, Rome wasn't built in a day. Share up the live, share up the live, share up the live. Good morning. Thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up. Look over there. See the pot going? Nice pots. Nice, sexy pots on the stove. Look. Nice. We need to make some noise in there, but we can't make the noise on that. We have to wait for us to make the pot cover. You know the pot cover nice? Let's go make the noise in there. We can't make the noise here, so come. Can't make the noise because my uncle is asleep. But as soon as he get up, we're going to lick up the pot. Ready for it. Ready. Oh, I want that. Me and cook the ACKEE and saltfish. ACKEE and saltfish. Everybody on TV know. All I say. Everybody on TV. Right, let me get the knife because we're gonna put this breadfruit here and put it. You know, so the pot start boiling ready for the ACKEE. Like, who do you believe said the ACKEE start boiling ready? Come on over here, sir. Would you believe it? So the ACKEE start boiling already. The water start boiling already. So I'm going to put, hold on. I'm going to put some inside here. But I'm not going to cook all of it. Whoa. Let's see how much we can put in the pot. We have ACKEE that we can cook whole heap of it. We don't have no restriction with it. But this now going. Thank you to my friend Ziki. I hope I butter ACKEE. And sometimes the ACKEE them, I think them wash them or oil them already, you know. We're going to transfer this to the pot now. So there is what I'm cooking over here. So over here. Right, let me get some more. I need to put some salt in there. That's it, pretty much. I probably can